Hey guys, it's Dean Odell with 7 Gables Real Estate in the Odell Group, and Happy New Year. Well, if you're looking for a market update, I would just tell you go back and look at our last one because things haven't changed. It got very, very slow there at the end of the year, and we are going to have a new market update available for you next week. In the meantime, what I would like to talk about is I want to give the seller some tips and the buyer some tips for 2020. If you're going to be selling your house this year, I want you guys to really consider that there is a huge difference in between who can represent you on the sale of your home. And there is no substitute for experience. And quite honestly, I don't know anybody else who has worked this area consistently with as much success as our team has had. So I also want you to consider that all our team members have been on our team for 4 years or more now. They're all great salespeople. So whether you're working with me directly, whether you're working with them, I promise you you're in good hands because they are backed by all my experience, all my partner Sarah's experience. You're talking 70 years of combined experience there of selling homes. There is a difference, I promise you, in terms of the quality that you're going to get of service. So sometimes perception isn't reality, and sometimes people sign up with people just because they get all kinds of stuff in their mailbox or whatever it might be. I'm encouraging you to really take the time to interview and understand the difference in who represents you, because not only is it going to mean more money in your pocket at close of escrow, it's going to mean a smoother transaction, it's going to mean less problems, and we have lots of references that can tell you the same thing. The other thing that's important sellers to remember is that you don't want liability, and we do things in a way in which you're not going to have future liability, and we're not going to let people renegotiate your price in escrow because of the way we do things. So if you want to know more about truly working with a very high quality team to represent you, please give us a call and I will explain our listing process to you. Okay, buyers, it's 2020. Inventory is going to be low this year. So if you're really seeking out property, it probably makes sense to work with a buyer team that specializes in the area that you want to purchase. As you know, we have 5 agents on the team. They also do listings, but they really specialize in a lot of buyer sales. Not only are we the top listing agents in our area, but we are the top buyers agents in our area. So we can add a lot of value there by letting you know what's going to possibly be coming to the market before people know about it. It might be our own listing, it might be somebody that we've networked with in the area, but we normally know about things before they even happen. In addition, we're going to protect you so that you don't have future liability or get in a lawsuit with the seller because something didn't go right. We're going to make sure that we advise you properly on what inspections you should do. And we know our area so well because most of us grew up here, we raised our kids here, we still have kids here, and our team members range in age from their 30s to their 70s. So whether it's me or whether it's somebody else on the team, we have somebody for everybody. So I want to wish you guys a prosperous year of buying or selling your home, and we want to make sure that things go smoothly and the right way for you. So please give us a call. Our theme is it's all about you, and that is the truth. We've been doing this so long, it's not about us at all. We've been doing this too long. We know the customer is the most important thing, and we will take great care of you. Thanks. Bye-bye. Hey guys, who are you getting your real estate advice from? Do you know there's 23,000 agents in Orange County and 87% of them are going to be out of the business within 5 years? The Odell Group's been around for nearly 40 years. We are ranked number 9 in transactions closed, and we can give you the right advice to help you make good decisions. So please click on our subscribe button here and start watching the videos and let us know if there's anything we do to help you.